Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the compare number sentences worksheet and we'll talk you through some of the tricky bits.
In this video, I will take you through the answers to the compare number sentences worksheet. The question is, arrange the loop cards so that each end is matched with a calculation of equal value. And when you've matched them all together, it will make one continuous loop. So it doesn't actually matter which card you start with. But for this question, I've printed and cut out my loop cards, and that's going to make it really easy for me to sort them, play around with them, put them in the right order, and put them in a loop that works. So we are looking for calculations of equal value. So I'm going to look really closely at the numbers in the calculations. I don't even really need to work out the calculations themselves. I'm just going to look closely at the numbers involved. So for example, if I take this first loop card to start my loop, I'm going to start with this calculation, 11 take away 4. Well, I know that it matches with 10 take away 3. They make the same answer. I know this without even working it out because each number in the calculation has increased by 1. 10 take away 3, 11 take away 4. I've increased 10 by 1 to get to 11, and that means that the second number has increased by 1 as well. I've increased 3 by 1 to get to 4. I've added 1 to the first number, so that means I need to take 1 more away. So here the numbers have increased by 1, and that's going to give the same answer. So let's continue then. So I've matched those two together. 3 add 5 is my next calculation. Well, I know that 4 add 4 will go with this because there's a difference of 1 involved in the numbers again. The first digit has gone up by 1 from 3 to 4, and the second digit has gone down 1 from 5 to 4. And this gives both calculations the same answer of 8. So I'm going to put this one facing down now. It's a bit like dominoes to create my loop. So that leaves me with 6 take away 5. Again, I'm looking for calculations with a difference of 1 in each digit. And I know that 5 take away 4 is going to go with this because again, if we look at these two calculations side by side, I can see that there's a difference of 1 with each digit. 6 take away 5, 5 take away 4. Each number's 1 less. 5 is 1 less than 6. 4 is 1 less than 5. And they both give the same answer of 1. So I'm going to put those together as well. There we go. And I put that one facing down as well to continue my loop. Now I've noticed that for the subtracts, it's either always going up 1 or always going down 1 each time. So I've matched those two together. Now I need 9 add 8. Well, I know that 10 add 7 goes with this, as the digits have a difference of 1. 10 is 1 more than 9, and 7 is 1 less than 8. So I'm going to match that up. Now my calculations are upside down, but I'm still going to read them out clearly so that you can hear and understand them. So, like I said earlier, I've noticed that for the subtracts, both numbers are 1 more or 1 less. Whereas in an addition, one number is 1 more, while the other is 1 less. So if we looked at 6 take away 5 and 5 take away 4, both these digits are 1 less than the numbers in the first calculation. 5 is 1 less than 6 and 4 is 1 less than 5. So both the numbers are 1 less. In an addition, so if we looked at 3 plus 5 and 4 plus 4, the first number is 1 more, 4 is 1 more than 3, but the second number is 1 less, 4 is 1 less than 5. So let's move on then. I'm just going to flip this round so you can see, 15 take away 2. So again, I'm looking for numbers with a difference of 1. I can see 16 take away 3. So let me just flip it round so that we can see. Okay, so I can see that the digits have increased by 1. 15 has gone up to 16. It's increased by 1, and 2 has gone up to 3. So those are going to give an equal answer. Okay, so I've created my loop. I've got space for 2 more cards here. I'm just going to flip this round. I need 12 add 3. So one that matches 12 add 3. Well, I know that it will be 13 and 2, because the first number increases by 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. And the second number increases by 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'm going to match those together as well. Brilliant. So that leaves me with one more calculation to match up. So 6 take away 2. Well, this will match 7 take away 3. Both the numbers have increased by 1. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 2 plus 1 is 3. And that must mean that 4 plus 5 goes with 3 plus 6, and they do because of my additions. If you think about it, 3 is 1 less than 4, but 6 is 1 more than 5. So again, there's a difference of 1 in both of those numbers, and that completes our loop. Doesn't matter which loop card you start with at the beginning, you will always end up with one continuous loop because each card has a pair that it matches to.
That was the answer explanation video for the Compare Number Sentences worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this learning, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this step, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.